Hey guys, welcome to my zone. This past weekend I was in Atlanta and I was hanging out with my family for Easter and hanging out with my nieces, and they were a lot of work, so I ended up getting really sick. And if anything, throughout this video my voice is really cracky, so don't mind me. Sorry for that. We are in the month of April. Time is flying by like no other, and when I think of April I think of Easter and the Easter bunny and their eggs. I don't know what the Easter bunny has to do with Easter, but I know that the egg basically means life, and I'm assuming that the egg and the bunny somehow coincide with each other because the bunny give life to a lot of bunnies as they reproduce a lot. With Easter in mind, I also think of a lot of pastel colors, very light, very bright, and very youthful. So today's look, we are going to do something very young and fresh and stick with pastel colors. So very pretty baby pink, baby lavender or something like that. Let's get started. Right now I already have my foundation on and my eyebrows. If you guys want to see more of this in detail, you can check out my other videos in my beauty section. So let's get it moving to the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Morphe Colorburst palette. I feel like this palette is so colorful, very fun at the same time, so I feel like I could play with a lot of colors in this palette. First color I'm going to use is this color right here, along with this color mixed together with my Morphe M513 brush. I'm going to apply this into the sockets of my eyes, and this will be my transitioning color and also my base. It's a very nice, pretty pastel pink color. Then I'm going to move it underneath my eyes and smoke out that area. I'm going to use my M213 brush and go into this color right here. Give my eyes more definition by going into the creases right here. And then smoke it out, clean it out, blend it, do what you gotta do to get that nice transition. With that same brush, I'm going to go into this color right here, this green color, and then give it a hint of green underneath my eyes on my bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go into this color right here, this darker green, and then give it more definition and smoke it out. Must be losing my mind, but I forgot to bake my face. I'm going to bake my face with the Prairie translucent powder. Alright, so using my beauty blender, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes right here. Also on my nose. Got that in check, and now I'm going to move on to adding some glitter on my eyes. This is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow in the color Sea Siren. Take this and smudge it underneath my eyes right here. There you go, and then blend it out with my fingers. Also in the inner corners of my eyes and on my lids. And then in the beginning parts of my eyes, I'm going to go into the color Ballet Baby. Just kind of lighten up this area with this nice baby pink color. So make sure that your eyes are dried before you open it, because it will kind of just like mess up your whole look if you don't wait. So just be patient. Go do something for a moment and come back to it. Since my eyes are closed right now, I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with the Shu Uemura Eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and pop on some poopy eyelashes in the style Dramatic. Using my M213 brush, I'm going to go into this color right here and just kind of give it a little bit more color in this area, this green area right here. Then I'm going to go into this yellow color right here using the same brush and give it a hint of color in this area right underneath that green. And then bring it out into this area right here. Then blend it into the pink a little bit. Now I'm going to move on to mascara, the Bad Girl Bang Mascara from Benefit. Then I'm going to take this E18 Morphe brush and go into this color right here. And then give a nice highlight in the inner corners of my eyes. And then kind of buff out into the top area. Blend it in with the pink and the glitters. Now I'm going to brush off all the loose powder. With the same brush, the R10 Morphe brush, I'm going to get some Dandelion Twinkle right here and add it on the apples of my cheeks. Then going in with my Galifornia blush from Benefit and adding some more color to that cheek area. Using my Stila highlighter in the color Transcendence, I'm going to use my E36 brush to highlight underneath my eyebrows, right in this area. Alright, so using my ring finger, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones right here. Give it more life to that area. Then I'm going to highlight my chin a little bit, my eyebrow bone. Now it's time to contour. I'm using my Kevyn Aucoin contour, mini dual one. Use this pencil brush and contour my nose. Then I'm going to use the other side to highlight my nose using the M506 brush. Give a slight brush on the nose bridge right there and the tip of the nose. For lips, I'm going to use this Smashbox Always On Matte Lipstick in the color Dream Huge. Alright, so I think I want to add a little bit of a twinkle. So I'm going to use this Prismagic Highlighter Trio from Kevyn Aucoin and go into this color right here. A nice lavender color, and then put it on my cheekbones to give it more glitter. Taking my MAC Studio Fix in the color NC40 and my Morphe E41 brush, I'm going to seal everything together and lightly brush and set my face. To finish off this look, I'm using my Tatcha spray, the Dewy spray, and just spray everywhere. Okay, so I think this should complete my look. When I think of Easter or the Easter Bunny, I think of this. Very bright, young, fresh, and youthful. So I hope you guys like this look. Today was a little bit like slow for me. I'm very mellow because I'm really sick, so I'm really sorry for that. So rain or shine, the show still goes on just for you guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Happy Easter. Happy April.